This is very easy to do, but must be practiced lightly. Body, mind, emotions, and heart affect each other. Therefore, it is essential to bring them into a favorable state of harmony to efficiently do the subsequent techniques. You will need a clean and tidy place, spot, or room where you can comfortably cross-legged sit and lie down. It must be tranquil, undisturbed, and with fresh air flowing. Now, cross-legged sit or lie down, with your eyes closed or opened however you find more comfortability. Clear your mind, dispel all irrelevant and mundane thoughts. Take 3 moderately deep breaths. Breathe in with your nose, then breathe out with your mouth. As you breathe out, imagine and feel that you are expelling negativity from your body. Unwind and relax your entire body by repeating 3 times each of the following phrases. I am relaxed. I am unwinding. I am balanced. And finally speak once, aloud, murmuring or within the mind. I have entered into complete relaxation. Feel it with conviction. Next, we will harmonize the Sala heart. Feel your Sala heart located within the heart chakra, strong yet calm. Feel your beingness within it. Repeat to yourself 3 times each. My heart is strong. My heart is balanced. I am who I am. Finally, we balance our emotions. Feel your lower 3 chakras below the heart chakra being cleansed by the intentions of your Sala heart and of your mind, then repeat 3 times each. I am balanced inside. I am untouchable. You are relaxed, balanced, and confident. Now you are ready. After you get a better hold of this exercise, you can abbreviate it by taking 1 deep breath, then say it once with absolute conviction. I am balanced. I am completely relaxed. Feel your body unwound, your emotions balanced, your mind clear, and your Sala heart strong and harmonious.